Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today there are a few things happening. First thing, I got my nails done. Saturday, February 10th is my cousin's wedding, which is really tomorrow. So I've just been doing a lot of running around and just preparing things and getting certain things in place for the wedding. And I'm going to show you guys one of the things that I was able to secure for the wedding. And that is, gotta get it. I bought a wig. I mentioned this in the wig videos that I was going to end up purchasing a human hair lace wig, and I did it, and I purchased my wig from MyFirstWig. But before I start talking about the wig, I wanted to show you guys what I did. This is the ball of my hair that I cut off. Can you guys see this? These are my ends. I cut them off. They were hard, they were dry, and my hair needed a trim. So I actually got my mom to cut this, and she cut this off, and then I went behind her and cut this off. So I cut all of this hair off of my head. And this is a lot. I'm not even gonna lie, this is a lot of hair, but it was damaged, so it needed to go. But for the reason that you are here, the wig. So I've already unboxed my wig. I'm very impatient. The wig comes in, come on now. The wig comes in this pink bag, and I call this is like a travel case for your hair. So the wig comes in this, and then when you take the wig out of this, it has this huge hairnet around it, and this just keeps the curls or keeps the texture of it together. And the wig I got was the Jaelah wig. I got the Jaelah wig, and I'm just so excited because I just love her natural hair texture, and so to have a carbon copy of that excites me so much. So I bought the Jaelah wig. And something that YouTubers or those YouTubers that work with MyFirstWigs don't tell you is that the wig kit that they make, they make it seem as if the wig kit comes with it, regardless. It does not. If you're like me and you feel like $175 is $275 is just way too much money to spend on one wig, then you start accumulating points instead of just going straight in and purchasing a wig. So when I decided I wanted to get this wig, it was actually 6 months ago. And I signed up for the website, and I just started accumulating points. I started telling my friends about the website, and at that time they were doing a lot of promotional stuff. So they had the Halloween pumpkin thing. They had where if you log in every single day for a certain amount of days, you get a certain amount of points. And at the end of that, I was able to get over $40 worth of points. So I used my points to buy my wig because $40 worth of points is $40 off of my purchase. And I used the wig kit code. But they don't tell you that you can't use your points and the wig kit code together. You can. So if you want to get the wig kit for beginners, you cannot use points at all. You pay the full price and you just get a free wig kit. But I didn't know that, so I just bought the wig. And the Jaelah wig comes with a hair pick. It comes with your wig caps. I don't even know what color this is. It comes with this 400 points back thing, and one more thing. What is this? Oh, and your order information. Yeah. So about the wig itself, I've actually I might have fluffed it one too many times, but this is the texture of this wig, and I love it. So soft. I haven't done anything to this wig other than try it on and fluff it out a lot. There's all the laces still there, but this, you can obviously tell it's a good quality lace because I can hardly see it through the hair, which I'm so excited for. I dropped the pick. The hair is very, very soft. It actually feels like doll baby hair. It's so soft. The hair does smell, I don't know, it doesn't smell like hair. It's obvious that it smells like leaf. It doesn't smell like hair. So that's, you sort of fix that process when you wash it yourself. You wash and condition it, or co-wash, whichever one you want to do. I'm personally going to wash and condition this hair. I don't know what else to tell you guys. I am going to update you guys once I've worn the wig and sort of gotten a feel for it. I do feel like I want to sew an elastic band on the inside. This is the cap construction. Usually when you pay the full price for the wig, you get the wig kit, and the wig kit comes with a piece of elastic band. I did not get the kit, so I would have to purchase my own elastic band separately, but it does come with this this hook and stretch thing, so you can tighten the cap if that's what you want to do. I got my nails done, so my hands are not working, my fingers are not working. I'm looking at the knots, and you can barely see the knots on this wig. The lace is a really nice and light color. I could see my hand through it. So there's no doubt, like, I think this wig will be the easiest wig to blend ever. And I will give an update once I wear it, but for right now, I really love what I see. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you did. Like I said, I'm going to do a review of the wig after I wear it and put it through the ringer. But until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
No, we don't. You know DAINA don't take no L.